Hello Internet, welcome to Making Money. My name's Eric and this is your Daily Dollar, our financial segment where I give you one financial lesson every day to help you on your financial journey. We are just about a week into the year here and I've already talked about a few different lessons. We've talked about setting goals, we've talked about starting right away, failing faster. Today we're going to be talking about money. And we kind of do that every day in these lessons. But specifically, why are we going on a financial journey? Why are we trying to get money? What is money? Today's lesson is going to be a bit abstract, but today's lesson is money is a tool. Plain and simple. That's what money is. We're going to get into a little bit of the economics here, or a bit of an economics class. We're going to be talking about what makes money money. What makes a dollar bill or a euro or a yen money? Why can I exchange these paper for things? What is it about money that makes it a thing? We're also going to talk about what doesn't make money money, what money isn't, which is, in my opinion, equally if not more important to this lesson. So to start off with, what is money? Today we're going to talk about money as being 5 things. 2 primary functions and 3 secondary functions. If you are aware of economics, if you're aware of money in general, you might know it as being more or less. There are sometimes definitions that show money as 2 or 3 things, some that can show it as much as 6 or 7 things. Today we're going to focus on 5, split into the primary and secondary. Okay? Plain and simple. So primary, what is the function of money? The first function of money is exchange. I can take these pieces of paper and these coins and I can trade them for other things. I can take that thing over there and I can give you some of my paper for that thing. That allows us to exchange goods, barter, using our money, our currency system. The second primary function of money is a measure of wealth. I can measure how much that thing is worth based on how many dollars and how many coins it is in value. And then equally, if I get more of your thing, I know that my thing will increase equally so. It's going to change based on the value of your item in my currency unit. So I'm able to exchange, but I also know the value of the thing that we're exchanging based on the monetary system. Okay? So those are 2 primary things. Very easy. The secondary portions or functions of money are 1, a store of value. Now that I know how much that thing is worth, I can say, all right, well, that over there is worth 6 of these. Well, I know that this is now worth 6 of those things over there, or whatever. That thing is worth 6 of these. You know what I'm saying? I can hold that value. I can take $10 and say, okay, this is $10. I can buy 10 $1 things with it. Let's say gum is $1. I can buy 10 pieces of dollar. 10 pieces of dollar. 10 pieces of gum. It's been a long day. I can buy 10 pieces of gum with my $10, all right? It's a store of value. I can then use that to buy other things, all right? The next one is deferred payments. And you may not know what deferred payments are. Simply put, it's payments that you pay in the future. They're payments that are deferred. Interest is a great example of this. If you're paying interest on a loan, you're paying things in the future. You're paying off small increments over time. There's a whole reason why this is very important to a currency system. We're not going to dive so deep into that today, but just know that using a monetary unit, you can pay things off in the future. Inflation has to do with this as well, but again, we're not going to get really that deep into it. And then the final secondary item that we're going to talk about today is that I can transfer value with it, okay? I can measure value, I can store the value, and then I can give that value to someone else. And that is important primarily with the global economics, with a global monetary system. I'm able to exchange my value for another currency. I can change my dollars to euros, my euros to yen, my yen to pesos, and back to dollars again. And yes, this will fluctuate over time, but that ability to transfer value is very important to money and very important to a world economy. All right? Got that? So that's what money is. 5 things. Primarily exchange and a measure of value, and then being able to store and transfer and pay off things in the future. So what isn't money? What is money not? Primarily, money is not your personal worth. Net worth does not equal self-worth. And this is a topic that I wanted to talk about today because it's something that I feel is really important when you're starting on your financial journey to understand this. This is a lesson that all people should be taught. This is something that should be core to us as people, but for a lot of people, it's not. Your net worth, how much you make, is not connected to any way to how good of a person you are. And that can be a hard lesson to learn. If you start going on your financial journey and you end up making a lot of money, it doesn't mean you're better than other people. You've succeeded in this where others may not have, and that's good. But they can still be good people even if they don't make a lot of money. So never let that be your threshold for humanity. The other point of what money is not inherently good and is also not inherently evil. Money will help whoever's holding it do more of what they want to do. If you have someone who is a genuinely good person that wants to do good in the world and they have more money and are able to use that money for more good, then more good can get accomplished. If you have someone who is not inherently a good person and they are in an arms race, then watch out, because that's not good. But the point is that money itself is not either good nor bad. It's ambiguous. It's a tool. Again, it's something that you can use to accomplish things. Money comes with it power because of how the world kind of operates. And in that, we get corruption. We can go into a real deep discussion here about what psychologically happens when you get more money or more power. And yeah, that can be a real gray area, if not a real dark area. But in itself, money is a tool. So on your journey, as you're going through your goal setting, as you're getting ready to go on this trip, keep in mind that yes, you want to get more money, but you want to get money as a tool to do good. You want to get money as a tool to help you and those around you. And that is one hell of a lesson for the day. As always, if you're enjoying these, feel free to give me a like. I also would love to hear your thoughts on money as a medium in the comments below. When we talk about money being good or evil, that can be something that's very near and dear to a lot of people's hearts. So I would love to hear your opinion on this whole topic, on this whole lesson today. If you are enjoying this series, which I hope you are, feel free to throw in a subscription. Subscribe is the word I was looking for. It's been a day, man. And as always, you can always find me on Twitter, so feel free to click the link below, and I will see you tomorrow with another awesome financial lesson. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye.